What a beautiful morning to walk the dog. Look at him. Your dog looks so happy, Emma.
Max, slow down. Do you want to smell every flower in the whole park? You are a very busy puppy.
He is too strong.
Hold the leash with 2 hands.
Okay, 2 hands.
He never walks in a straight line.
He wants to smell everything.
Grass, flowers, shoes, everything. He's pulling so hard today. He loves the park.
He really is fast. Wait.
He sees something. Hold Max tightly, Emma. Don't let him run. Max, stop right there. Ah! Max, stop. I am so scared. Where can we find him? Don't cry. We should check the easy places first. Where should we go first? Under the bench, behind the bush.
Do you see Max?
I see nothing.
Max! Max!
He is not here too. Maybe we should ask people.
Excuse me. Did you see a small brown puppy?
I did not see him, but I hope you find him.
Thank you. Did you see a small brown puppy ran over here?
Was he wearing a leash? I saw he run fast, very fast. Toward the trees. Toward the trees?
This park is big. That is very far.
Maybe not too far. We can still find him.
I hope so.
These trees are tall. They are even taller than trees in the park. Watch your step. The ground is uneven. It is very quiet. It is dark here too. We must be careful.
Stay close to me.
I have your hand. Do you think Max is scared too? Maybe. That is why we need to keep going. Max, come back! I know you are a good puppy. Here, little boy. Where are you? Maybe he is too far away. Then we need to listen more carefully. I hear a sound. Wait. Be quiet. I hear it now. It sounds small and weak. It is over there, behind those big rocks. Come on, let's run fast. Be careful, Emma. The sound is from here. Look down this hole. I can't reach him. It's too deep. He looks very sad. He must be cold. He keeps falling. We need an adult. Do we leave him here? Only for 1 minute. We will come back fast. We will come back. Come on! Slow down. The ground is slippery. There! Let's ask him for help. Excuse me, sir. Please help us. He fell into a hole.
Hello, children. What is the matter?
Our puppy ran away. Then we heard him crying. Our puppy is trapped
Where is he trapped?
in a deep hole.
Show me the place.
This way. Please hurry.
Let's see. This hole is quite deep. We need a rope.
Max, we are back to save you.
I have a rope.
Can the rope help, Max?
Yes, but we need to be slow and careful.
What is that net?
The net will carry him up. Hey, little boy, stay still. Slowly move to the net.
You are safe now. You scared me so much. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Keep him safe always.
We will, I promise. You will need a bath. A very big bath.